guys, so I finished up the foilyage. I also lightened up her ends a little bit more in between my foils. And then I did a little gloss just to even out her hair color because she did have a darker color on her hair. I'm putting a little shine spray to perfect my pictures. I'm gonna twirl her around for you. All right, one of my favorite things to do is have my client pose for pictures. So let's face the wall first. And tilt your head all the way up. Yep. This is one of my favorite pictures to do. You really see the color. And then another one I like to do is chin to the shoulder. And then chin to that shoulder. Perfect.